Those foundations are getting insulation on the outside, it appears. That's a good thing. And it looks like the black is damp proofing, which is behind the insulation. That's all well done. And let's see. Hey guys, this is Cheryl Seco at avoidingmold.com. I just want to at a job site. I'm actually not at the job site. I'm here. This is a nursing home, so I'm actually visiting someone. But they're putting on an addition, and I just want to, for those of you that haven't seen what some of construction and what it looks like. So what's going on here is this is a building that's probably not going to have a basement or a crawl space. And what you see in the wood down there is those are forms for the footings. And there's one over there that's a square, that's probably a column taking a bigger load. And basically they pour the footings, which is usually a couple feet wide. They are below the frost line, so we're in Minnesota right now, so the grade, we're about 4 feet down or more. They have really cold temperatures here. And you can see over here there's a worker, so he's measuring the heights to make sure that the heights of the footings are all level. And then the dirt down there is undisturbed soil. So that is dirt that they dug down to. That is not backfill. And it has been compressed by time and weather and basically should be very, very hard occasionally and support the building. Occasionally they'll run into something that isn't as structurally sound in terms of the soil. Sometimes a little peat pocket or something, and they have to actually, when they see that, they have to address that. So this is just a little tour of a construction site where they're pouring the foundations. Looks like they're putting a precast top on the slab over there. I can't exactly tell what's going on, but I'll look some more and let you know. But just to give you an idea, this is what it looks like pouring a footing and for a foundation, and they'll put the foundation wall on top of the footing. So I hope this is interesting. I always think construction sites are interesting, and I look forward to sharing more information about construction of buildings and best practices. And right now this, I would say, is best practice. They're doing a good job. Those foundations are getting insulation on the outside, it appears. That's a good thing. And it looks like the black is damp proofing, which is behind the insulation. That's all well done. And let's see if you can see over here. So here you can see a foundation. It appears to have some sort of a precast topping on it, but the foundation, what I'm looking at, is it's got exterior insulation, it appears. I'm assuming this is getting backfilled. This is a walkway going to, maybe they're doing another wing or something. That's what I understand anyway. And you can see some of the metal rebar coming out of the concrete. That's reinforcing. Concrete is really good in compression, but not good in tension, which is why in earthquakes it needs to have a lot of steel, because it'll just break apart. Wind as well. And then, but you can see that it's got foam insulation, a styrofoam insulation, and they use spray foam on the seams to seal it. That's a really good detail for keeping foundations dry, because you're keeping them warm. And warm and dry is always the goal in buildings. Avoidingmold.com. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe. For more free information on safe building, avoiding mold, and water damage, visit avoidingmold.com.